welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Shein haul for you. We're just gonna get right into it. I have a bunch of things and I've been obsessed with Shein lately. Like, sorry, I hate to admit it, but I have been. Like, they just have such cute clothes, so definitely go check them out. They have great deals, like great sales, and it's so affordable. Like, you need to try some of this stuff. So we're gonna get right on to the first thing, which I have on. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so we have this dress here. Of course I'd wear a different bra. I'm not gonna go do all that for this though. And then I can't think of what this is called. I never can. It's just this stretchy, like, stretchy material. So it stretches. I want to say elastic, but it's not necessarily. If that makes any sense. So yeah, of course, ignore the back. I mean, if I was wearing the right bra, it wouldn't be there. I am just loving this so much. It's so cute, like just with a pair of sandals, jean jacket, maybe even like a cute little, like, you know, beach hat. I don't know. Like, wearing this to the beach would be so cute with some sandals and espadrilles. I don't know. These are just so cute. Like, I love this dress. Let's get on to the next thing. All right, so here is the next dress and I'm loving it. As you can see, it's lacy. It's this beautiful, it's just so pretty. I love this. Definitely so excited to wear this summer. About it. It has this stretch right here, so it's perfect. It probably would go up if you put your arms up. I actually have my straps on my shoulders, so I can't even really do that for you. There was some other colors. I want to say there was white and black. I don't know if there was more than that, but this would look super good with white. Oh, you know what would look cute? Like, if you have like a wedding or engagement photos, if you got this in white, I think this would be super cute. Maybe a beach scene. I don't know. I'm just saying. But yeah, this is super cute. So the next thing I have is this dress here. Cute. It has where this whole thing you knot to another piece of string. So this is very comfy. It's literally just like cotton material. So it just feels like a cotton like tank top. Yeah, I don't really know what the back, I don't think the back is any different. It's just cute, right? But yeah, this is actually super cute. I'm liking this. And it's just very casual. You can wear it with sneakers, you could wear it with some sandals. I'd probably wear it with some like espadrilles or something like that. Just cute. Yeah, I don't know. I really like this dress. It's just your basic, nothing too extravagant, but I like that actually. So I actually have to show you this dress because you can wear it two different ways. I just realized because I actually put it on the wrong way. So this is super orange. It's a little too orange for me. I'm actually kind of liking it, but I don't know. It might be a little too orange. But yeah, so you can wear it this way, but actually that's not how you're supposed to wear it. So let me show you real quick. Okay, perfect. So I had just flipped it around, right? And what you're gonna do is grab it, cross it, and then tie it in the back. How cool is this dress? Honestly, I'm loving this. I don't know why I got it in this color though. Like, I'm just being honest. I don't know why I got it in this color. It's very bright. The whole concept of it is super cute. I'm not an orange person. This would look super good on dark skin tones though. Yeah, I'll say that. Because it doesn't, I mean, not that it looks, I don't think it looks bad on me. It's just like, I don't know. It's a little brighter than I thought. This is super cute. I like this. It does have the little flap of like the thing, but that's totally fine. Yeah. Okay, so next we have this romper here. I'm gonna be honest, it's super cute, obviously. Like, it fits super cute. I feel a little exposed though. It's so thin, and then it could easily just like flip up. Yeah, I don't know. And I'm like, I don't know if like you can wear Spanx under this because it's pretty short. Which sucks. It sucks because it really is so cute. I love it. Like, it's cute. You can't see the bra, but it just ties right here, and I don't know. It sucks because it is really cute, but I don't want to feel uncomfortable in my clothing. I don't want to feel like the breeze is going to make a show out of me. So it's cute. I don't know if I'll keep it just because of the fact that you can see everything, you know. Okay, so the next thing I have is this dress here. It's obviously red. Let me know what you think, because I think it's cute. I don't like love it or anything. It would be really cute for like 4th of July, I guess. And obviously it's thin. You can see that my bra, it's black. You can see right through it, and so is my undies. You might be able to see that. But yeah, let's just get on to the next thing. This one's not really that special, so. Here is the next outfit, and I'm gonna be honest, I just wasn't sure what to pair this with. It's cute, it's full length, okay. I do like it. I don't love it though. The whole, I mean, all of the pants, the whole pants have like that weird ruching. I thought it'd look cute with like heels to go clubbing or something. Like I go clubbing, right? That was so funny. I've never been clubbing in my life. So I probably wouldn't pair these together just because for me this is a little too mannish. Sorry, don't come for me, okay? Although this would be super cute with like some Air Force Ones or something. So the black top is mainly just for work. I have to wear black there. So how are we feeling about these pants? These cargo pants are super cute. They're actually really comfy too. They're a weird material, I will say that, but like they're high-waisted. I don't know, man. These are cute. I like these. I like these a lot, actually. So here's the full bottom. Here's how they look. I don't know. I want to be rocking these in summer. Okay. So here is the next top. I gotta stop trying the bra tops. They just don't work for me, okay? They're too small. As you can see, everything's just like punching out. Yeah. And the back goes up because I have to put, you know, I have to put the straps at the highest setting. So I'm honestly a little disappointed in this top. I was super excited to try it. It's just too much going on. I would not feel comfortable. It's not even in there, honestly. So there's that. Yeah, it's cute. If you have a smaller bust, I definitely try this out because I'm jealous for you because it's not fitting me right. All right, let's just get into the next thing. All right, so the next top I have is this top here, which is super cute. So it starts open and then you can tie it in the front. At first I had no idea what was going on. I'm like, what did I order? And then I was like, oh, I remember this top. So there's that. I love this. I think it's super cute. I definitely would wear this with denim shorts for this summer, but yeah, this is, okay. So I'm a little sad with this top because I really liked it, okay? I like it from the front, but why would they not continue the fringe on the back? Like, does that not make any sense? I don't know, like I was loving it, and then I seen the back had no fringe and it feels naked. Like, I don't know. It is a little see-through, that's okay. I mean, I'm wearing a black bra, it is gonna be see-through. It's a ribbed material. It's super cute. I'm just mad about the back. Like, why would you not continue it? You know? I don't know. It's frustrating me because I really liked it top. I really liked the front, but I'm not gonna keep it. Yo, I'm sad. I'm sad. Okay. I ain't even gonna lie. I feel like Kim K right now. This is such a Kim K outfit. This top, marvelous. Okay, go get them. They have a bunch of different colors and it's just super stretchy. I actually got this because TikTok, okay, was saying that they're kind of like a Skims dupe. Of course, these are like a way knockoff of a Skims dupe. Amazon does have some Skims dupes, so they're kind of similar, so go check them out. But anyway, these are so cute. This is comfy, it's super stretchy, and it's a little see-through, as you can see maybe, but it's like hardly see-through. So I don't mind that. Like, my hair is usually covering my chest anyway. But yeah, I don't know, I really like this top. I really do. It's flattering, it's cute. It's got the right, like, it's just the right fit, I guess. So yeah, definitely go look into these, and all the colors that they have is amazing. So all right, let's get into the next thing. Okay, so here's the next top. I really like this. It has this little tie detail here and a little situation here. Definitely the bra would help 110% on how this looks, because I have to have the shoulder straps like off to the side, so it's just pulling them down and making it look really weird and like it doesn't fit right. But this is cute. I think too you could probably, actually I'm kind of curious, I wonder if it's supposed to be worn like this, like up. I think it is. So let me see, but it looks weird with my shoulder, with my bra straps. Oh, maybe not. Oh, hold up. Oh no, okay, that's cute. Yeah. You can also put it off the shoulder though too. But it's super cute, I like this. Okay, so this is the next top, and it's this hoodie, this Los Angeles hoodie. Okay, so I do like this. However, I can already tell that the sleeves, for one, they're a little short on me when I do this. They're gonna shorten, okay? They are comfy to the point where I could just do this and wear it around like this. However, I like wearing mine full length. I like my sleeves super long. It's super comfy. It was inexpensive, of course. It's a beautiful color. There's so many things I love about it, except for the sleeves. So I'm a little undecided about this one, but it is still super cute. They have this in tons of colors. I don't think sizing up would have helped with the sleeve situation, unfortunately. Yeah, it's cute though. Okay, so this top is not topping. It's in fact a bodysuit. So we're gonna just like shoot straight to it. Hate it. They don't fit in there. It's actually really loose on the body for this situation to be happening. I'm really annoyed. Okay, so these pants are super cute. I'm 5'8", so the fact that they go all the way down is perfect. They fit right on the butt. They just look good. I really like these pants. They only have like the tie part in the front portion though, just to note that. So if that doesn't make sense, I'll show you. So you just take it, see it has the two straps. It does not go all the way to the back. So it does tighten the tummy area a little bit, or like you can tighten it against it. But for the rest of the body, it doesn't. Okay, so this looks horrendous. This top is loose, of course, here, and then super small on my chest. I do however like this skirt. It is very high, so it's literally like at my hip bone up here. You could wear it with shapewear and be okay. Definitely wouldn't wear it together like this. You would? However. And honestly, you could even, now that I'm thinking about it, I could just wear this as a beach cover up and it'd still look, it'd be really cute as a beach cover up. I might do that. So, okay, so here's the next outfit. So I have those same pants on, but in a different wash. I just love these pants. I'm definitely excited to wear these. I have to get some like cropped tees, some cute cropped tees to wear with them. They're super cute. This top. Okay, so this top is not working for me. Please ignore it. I feel like a wrestler almost. It's not cute. It's not doing very much for me in this department. So okay, so this is, as you can tell, very ill-fitting, like right in this area. It's super baggy. Yeah, it's just a little ill-fitting. I think I should have maybe sized down. I don't know if that would have helped though. I feel like a wrestler. I keep bringing up wrestlers, but I really do feel like a wrestler. Yeah, I'm not loving it. It's okay. I don't know. I don't know if sizing down would have helped. I do not like the fabric either, really, if I'm being honest. So there's that. I do want to share some accessories I got. I forgot I had these. So first accessory that I have is just this bedazzled rhinestone claw clip. I've been looking for a lot of pretty claw. Oh, hey, my hair's crazy. I've been looking for a lot of pretty claw clips lately. Like, look at how pretty this one is. So I'm just gonna show you. It's super pretty, right? Right. Just sparkles. And then it actually has velvet right here. Like the claw clips here is velvet. That's dope. Okay. And then we have this cute little butterfly clip. It's also bedazzled completely. Like, how friggin' cute. And then this one you need to be careful with because you gotta go like, and it feels very cheap, I'm not gonna lie, but like, look how cute. So be careful when you're putting this one in. You don't want to break it. I'm in love. I'm in love. Like, super cute. All right, and then I have this clutch here. super cute. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. So I have this clutch here. How cute! Oh, it smells like nail polish or something. It doesn't smell good. I will say that. How do you open this thing? I don't know how you open it. Am I stupid? Oh, there we go. And it just has that, and then has a little crossbody chain up there. But this is super cute. I wish it didn't smell like nail polish remover, but that's okay. I'm so excited to use this for a concert or something.